Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. Friends, today we get to a very interesting puzzle. Here are few items present like scissors, spanner and hammer which can be easily found in a common toolbox. Here you have to find the value of each item and you have to solve the last equation. So let's start. Before jumping to the final solution, try solving this puzzle within the time frame of 30 seconds and please mention your answers in the comment section. Friends, your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all have enjoyed solving this puzzle and found out the correct answer which you have already mentioned in the comment section. Let's proceed to see the final solution. Jumping on to our first equation. In the first equation we have 3 scissors and there is multiplication of these 3 scissors. That is equal to 64. Now there is multiplication, so it will become scissor cube is equal to 64. Taking this cube to right hand side, so it will become cube root. So scissor is equal to cube root of 64. So cube root of 64 comes out to be 4. From the first equation we have one value, that is one scissor is equal to 4. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation we have two spanners, 1, 2 into 2 scissors. And friends, we know value of scissor, that is equal to 4. Putting the value of scissor here in this equation and solving this equation to get the value of spanner. So there are two scissors, so value will be 4 plus 4. So spanner plus spanner into 4 plus 4 is equal to 45. Now we have to solve this equation and firstly we have to do the multiplication and then addition. Now friends, if you are thinking why we are doing multiplication, it is because of BODMAS rule. And according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to do the multiplication if it is present in the equation followed by addition. So here it will become 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 into spanner is equal to 8 spanner. So 1 spanner plus 8 spanner is equal to 45. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So total 9 spanner is equal to 45. So spanner values comes out to be 45 by 9, that is equal to 5. Similarly, we have to solve our third equation. In the third equation we have 1 hammer into 2 spanner minus 1 hammer is equal to 63. We know value of spanner, that is equal to 5. Putting that here in this equation and solving this equation to get the value of hammer. So hammer into, there are 2 spanners, so value will be 5 plus 5 minus 1 hammer is equal to 63. So now again we have to do the multiplication followed by subtraction. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 into hammer is equal to 10 hammer. Minus 1 hammer is equal to 63. Now 10 hammer minus 1 hammer value comes out to be 9 hammer. 9 hammer is equal to 63. So hammer's value is equal to 63 by 9, that is equal to 7. Now friends, by the end of third equation we have each item's value present in the last equation, that is scissor is equal to 4, spanner is equal to 5 and hammer is equal to 7. So directly jumping on to our last equation. In the last equation we have 3 scissors, 1, 2 and 3 plus 2 hammers, 1 and 2 into 1 spanner. And we have to find out the value of this equation. Putting the item's value in this equation and solving this equation. So there are 3 scissors, so we have written 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 hammers. 1 hammer value is equal to 7, so 2 hammers value will be 7 plus 7 or 7 into 2 into 1 spanner, that is equal to 5. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve the bracket present in this equation followed by multiplication and then addition. So here 4 plus 4 plus 4 comes out to be 12 and the bracket will get open. So 12 plus 14 into 5. Now we have to do the multiplication. So 14 into 5 comes out to be 70. 70 plus 12 is equal to 82, and we have solved the puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to your favorite channel for latest puzzles and solutions. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. That is Puzzle Solver Video. Thank you again. Bye bye.